Namaste. I am Arun Dev. Take some water in a bowl and put a blade very slowly on the surface of the water like this. Then it floats. And I am taking the blade and putting like this. Then it is sinking inside the water. The reason behind it, when the surface area increases, it floats over the water. The same technique we are using while constructing boats and ships. In this experiment, I am reducing the surface area of the plastic sheet by crushing it, and after that I am putting it in the water. Then it sinks. Now I am taking that plastic sheet back and when increases the surface area, it floats over the water. That means when surface area of a substance increases, it floats over the water. When it reduces, sinks inside.